Welcome to Williams, Arizona, a small town with a rich history. Williams is known as the gateway to the Grand Canyon, being only 60 miles south of the world-famous landmark at an elevation of 6,765 feet in the Kaibab National Forest. The town's 3,200 residents sure are lucky. Williams is an outdoor enthusiast paradise. The Kaibab National Forest covers over 1.6 million acres, providing endless opportunities for hiking, camping, and wildlife spotting. Keep an eye out for elk, deer, and even bald eagles soaring overhead. Williams was named for William Shirley Old Bill Williams, a famous trapper, trader, scout, and mountain man who often trapped in the area. A statue of Old Bill stands in Monument Park, located on the west side of the city. The large mountain directly to the south is named Bill Williams Mountain. Williams is also home to the Grand Canyon Railway, a historic train that has been transporting visitors to the south rim of the Grand Canyon since 1901. The train ride itself is a journey through time, winding through beautiful landscapes and offering a unique way to experience the region. Founded in 1881, Williams holds a special place in American history as one of the last towns on the iconic Route 66 to be bypassed by Interstate 40 in 1984. Today, it remains one of the best preserved stops along the legendary highway, offering visitors a nostalgic glimpse into the past with its historic downtown full of vintage diners, classic cars, and quirky roadside attractions. With its blend of Old West charm, proximity to natural wonders, and countless outdoor activities, Williams, Arizona is more than just a stopover. It's a destination where adventure and history come together. Well, it's time to leave Williams, Arizona behind. We've got a long drive ahead of us. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to see where we go next.